So this wasn't a typical trash find that I found at the curb. I actually found this along the side of the highway, a frontage road specifically. Saw it out of the corner of my eye and thought, hey, that looks oddly like a Bissell PowerForce. And sure enough, I checked the next morning, this morning, and it was still there. Couldn't see the cord from inside the truck, as you guys saw in the clip I just posted with this video, but I did end up seeing the cord obviously when I got out and looked at it. This thing is kind of rough. I suspect that whoever had this before, as it falls over, might have taken it on a drywall adventure. It's missing the small mesh filter screen that goes below there. It's also missing the filter that's supposed to go here. So that's interesting. It does still have the filter in here, but this one is really dirty. It looks complete other than having the upholstery brush, which I think I have one of those in my stash of supplies and everything. But this is literally how I found this thing. I thought it was broken at first until I realized both the screws were backed out. And then of course we have the hose, which is, I don't know if that's just because of the heat. It was really hot today. It was like 108. Plus I had it in here with that thing shut, so it probably got hotter. So anyways, we're gonna plug this in and see what it does. Before we do that, it still has the belt attached, surprisingly. Wheels are still here and in place. I didn't think I would ever pick up a vacuum off the side of the highway, but here we are. So let me plug it in. We'll see what's going on with it, if it'll turn on. First thing we'll do is we'll see if we can screw these screws down to at least get that problem taken care of. Much better. Let's plug her in. The stuff on here looks like it's possibly joint compound, like that stuff, but we'll know soon enough. Let's plug it in. Man, this stuff it's everywhere. Kind of smells. Those bearings are a little noisy. Not the worst I've heard, but I think this will be a good candidate for a video. We'll clean it up. It looks, I think, worse than it is. That's also a very common problem with these as they age. But yeah, this all looks like paint. That's actually damage. Should probably replace this cord, but I might just hit it with some electrical tape and call it a day. Kind of just a funny story on this thing, how I just happened to find it thrown away along the side of a highway. How I was able to see it. No bed bugs or anything, that's good. So yeah, we'll feature this in a video, see how it does. Definitely needs to be serviced, there's no doubt about that. Clean up that brush roll, possibly service the bearings in the motor. I believe on these 12 amps, they're not that difficult to do. So we'll figure that out, but stay tuned for the video on it. I don't know when it'll be up, but as of right now, I won't scrap this one out. So we'll see what's going on with it and go from there. Stay tuned, everyone.